Desperate to unlock exclusive content but only have a gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's find out if you can directly use it on OnlyFans. Unfortunately, OnlyFans doesn't directly accept gift cards as a payment method. Their payment processing system is set up to primarily handle credit cards, debit cards, and some prepaid cards. But don't give up just yet. There's a clever workaround you can use. The trick is to convert a gift card into a prepaid card. First, use your gift card to purchase a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card. You can typically find these at most major grocery stores, pharmacies, and convenience stores. Ensure the gift card's value covers the cost of the prepaid card and your desired OnlyFans subscription. Next, once you have your prepaid card, head over to the OnlyFans website and navigate to the payment section of your account settings. When prompted for your payment details, enter the prepaid card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back of the card. And that's it. With your prepaid card details entered, you should be able to successfully subscribe to your favorite creators on OnlyFans. Remember to check the balance on your prepaid card regularly to ensure continuous access to content or set up auto renewals. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more OnlyFans tips and tricks.